How to fix Zangi app stuck on loading. Is your Zangi app just stuck, spinning and spinning, never actually loading? Super frustrating, right? Don't worry, I've got a few quick things you can try. First things first, check your internet connection. I know it's obvious, but make sure you actually are connected to the Wi-Fi or have a mobile data enabled. Try opening a web page to be absolutely sure. Still stuck? Okay. Force the Zangi app. On Android, swipe up from the bottom or use the reset tab button and swipe the Zangi app away. Next, let's clear the Zangi app cache. Head over to the phone setting, or if you have your app on your home screen, like mine, simply tap on it and that will provide you an option called App Info. Simply tap on that too. And inside the App Info, you will see an option called Storage and Cache. Simply tap on it. And there you will find an option for Clear Cache. Tap on it. Right now, my Zangi's cache is already having cleared, so it is 0 right now. That means I don't have to do more work on this one. If none of that work, a simple phone restart can sometimes do the trick. Just power your phone off and back on. Finally, head to the App Store or the Google Play Store and check if there's any update available for the Zangi. Outdated apps can sometimes cause problems too. Hopefully, one of these tips got your Zangi app up and running up again. Which one worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are still having trouble, drop a comment describing your specific issues. Maybe I or someone else in the community can help. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.